Although a sedan with a raised suspension isn't a new concept, the 2024 Toyota Crown follows that formula with mixed results. While it's sold as a traditional sedan body in other parts of the world, the variant we get here in the US is only offered in a high-riding setup. Its looks aren't for everyone, but if you can get past its styling, you'll find a car with Lexus levels of luxury inside and either of two hybrid powertrains under the hood that are proven fuel economy winners. Most Crown models come with a 236 horsepower hybrid powertrain that delivered 42 mpg in our testing. But to unlock the Crown's maximum performance, try the Platinum level, which comes with a 340 horsepower turbocharged hybrid setup that sprinted to 60 miles per hour in 5.1 seconds at our test track. Toyota's wacky Crown Sedan Cum SUV gets a few tweaks to interior materials for 2024 to help improve fit and finish. The Mid-Range Limited can now be ordered with the Advanced Technology package, which includes adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, a lane change assist feature, and a front cross-traffic alert system. The top-spec Platinum trim gets those features as standard. All Crown models have a hybrid powertrain, but only the top-spec Platinum model gets Toyota's new Hybrid Max setup, which pairs a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder with an electric motor on the rear axle for a combined 340 horsepower. The XLE and Limited models get a less powerful 236 horsepower hybrid system that uses a 2.5-liter four-cylinder and 3 electric motors. The XLE and Limited have a continuously variable automatic transmission (CVT), while the Platinum uses a 6-speed automatic. All-wheel drive is standard on every trim. With the base powertrain, the Crown's acceleration is adequate. At our test track it hit 60 miles per hour in 7.2 seconds. The Platinum trim, with its more powerful setup, is noticeably brisker as proven by its 5.1-second launch to 60 miles per hour. The Crown's suspension has been tuned for a relaxing ride, so don't expect cornering heroics, but the Platinum model does come with adaptive dampers that sharpen things up and give the big four-door a slightly more fun-loving nature. The EPA estimates that the Crown with the base hybrid powertrain will be capable of returning up to 42 mpg city and 41 mpg highway. The Platinum model's more powerful Hybrid Max powertrain is claimed to deliver around 29 mpg city and 32 mpg highway.